That's fucking stupid, Ben.
I'm just saying.
I don't know. I ain't got much experience with y'all's fortitude, but we could probably deal with that. We got a goddamn train.
That thing's not full of milk, Charles. That's gas or diesel. Something that's gonna explode.
You gotta get a hold of yourself. This a crew here.
This ain't shit.
This?
Yo, you keep screaming like that and you're gonna get your face chewed off.
Are you guys gonna be trouble? Because we could have just kept walking.
No, we're friendly! Put your hand down, kid.
That's what everybody says.
We know.
Let's give these guys a break.
We'll see.
You guys got a problem with your train?
Yeah, you're standing right in front of it.
Dude, it's a wreck. It's not so bad from up here. Send your buddy up to have a look.
Anything goes sideways up there, we won't let them escape.
If I come up there, you better not be murderers or thieves.
I guess you'll have to find out.
A group of guys is what we need.
They're what you think we need. We're doing fine.
For now. What about when...
Stop it.
Hey, dude, I'm Omid.
Lee,
Krista, what's the deal with the train?
we're driving it.
Oh, man.
Hey, I'm not gonna bullshit you. Our group is a little fucked right now. We had a bite victim, then his mom took her life, and before that, just...
It's okay.
Oh, shit. God damn, you guys have a kid.
What are you doing up here?
Do you know how long it's been since I've seen a kid? Shit. What's your name?
Clementine.
Oh, so he gets to swear.
Well, this is great. See? Things are looking up.
You're not her dad. He down there?
It's that obvious?
To me.
And no, he's not down there.
Huh. What's your story?
I came across Clementine alone. First day all of this happened. We've been together ever since.
And everybody down there, they're cool?
Kenny lost his wife and kid.
Man, how long ago?
What time is it?
I don't know, 4?
Maybe 2 hours ago.
God damn.
We're sorry for anything that's happened to you guys. That train is awesome, though.
That tank is your real problem. We'll help you with it, but if we see anything we don't like, we're moving on down the road. Alone.
We'd appreciate the help.
You can't just blast through it, I guess?
If you could get it down, the rest would probably be pretty easy.
We'll start there.
We'll come down and settle in and see if we can help.
It's empty. That's about the only useful thing in here. There's no way I'm pulling anything apart down there. There's no way I'm pulling anything apart down there.
Let's go talk to your people, man.
Oh, me?
What?
Am I gonna have to tell your people the plan or what?
Guys, this is Omid and Krista.
Not big on welcomes.
Like I said, it's been a bit of a day.
We just wanted to say hi and say your train is pretty cool.
It's time we move forward. Omid and Krista are gonna help, and we're gonna get past this damn tanker.
We're happy to stick around.
We'll see about that.
You want to start in on that tanker?
I'll get to know the girl for a minute, if you don't mind.
And why don't I show you how this thing works, in case something happens?
Really, Ken?
it's probably for the best. Someone might want to have a look inside of that station back there, too.
Sounds great. Let's do this thing.
I'm glad someone's managed to keep the spirit. I guess it's good Clem's got a woman to talk to. Hey there.
That's a pretty useful radio for her to be holding on to, no?
It's busted, but it means something to her.
Oh, I understand.
Not sure how we'll get that tank down.
Maybe ask Omid. He likes to break things.
Careful, she's a crack shot now.
You got this girl shooting guns?
Look, I don't need a lecture.
You weren't getting one. It's good. She should be able to take care of herself.
Where are you from?
San Francisco.
Jeez, a long way from home.
I blame the one in there. He wanted the great American road trip.
Well, he got a little more than he bargained for, huh?
Who the hell is into Civil War history anyway, other than old white guys? Wonderful. You two will be thick as thieves.
What were you two arguing about when I was coming up the ladder?
Nothing.
If you're gonna be around for a while, it'd be good to know what baggage you got.
Then maybe we won't be around for a while.
Whatever government work was going on here didn't seem to help. This thing is mangled to hell. No releasing it, no nothing. How have you two made it this far? You seem dangerously normal.
Krista doesn't let us join groups, and I'm a fucking scrapper.
I got the feeling she takes care of you.
Please. I've saved her ass hundreds, tens, sometimes.
Learning the ropes? Can't be too hard, right?
There are a lot of levers I can't wait to use.
I said if something were to happen to me,
Maybe we can drive in shifts.
we'll see.
You like Civil War history, huh?
Fuck yeah. What do you know about some Quantrill's raid?
Well, it happened about 1,000 miles that way.
Well, yeah.
And we're headed the other way. But if it's somehow not crawling with the dead, there should be some cool things to see.
Excellent. Don't tell Krista, though. That won't be as big a selling point for her.
You got it. How long since you've been home?
Like 6 months. We were on the road for a while, and then, you know,
That's rough.
her cat is gonna be pissed.
Talk to you later. Teaching him anything?
Trying to.
You interrogating this woman for us?
Yep.
She set off any alarm bells?
Not yet.
She's very thorough.
That's what I like to hear.
Can I follow you over there?
You don't like the new girl?
I do, but it's like we're a team, like you said.
Yeah, all right. Come on. Clementine and I are checking out this train station, all right? Hustle over if you hear anything. Somebody was doing some painting. Somebody was doing a lot of painting. You should wait for me before trying to open doors.
Sorry.
Luckily, it's locked. We'll get better at working together. Won't budge. I can't see in there. I can't see in there. Doesn't look like that thing's worked in years. I can't see in there. We'll have to find a way in. The window's open up there.
Maybe I could look in?
We'll have to find a way in. The window's open up there.
Maybe I could look in?
Why don't I put you on my shoulders and you can peek into that window up there?
Sounds good. Okay, I can see in. What do I do now?
What do you see?
Lots of crates and stuff.
Maybe we can find the key or figure out a way to knock this door down. Kenny'd probably have me pick the lock, which actually might work now that we have the
I
time.
think I opened it.
For real?
I think so.
Well, I'll be damned.
Let's go. Be careful.
I'm supposed to tell you that. God damn, it's dark in here.
Maybe I can hold the door open?
I don't like that. I'll prop it open with something. Wish that thing was in my hands instead of over there.
It's too dark otherwise.
It's locked up good, but there's some space at the top.
We're lucky I'm so little.
Yeah, we are. That's exactly what we need.
Over there?
Yeah, we need to get in there and get that blowtorch. They didn't have much business back then. Locked up good. You okay going over the top of this fence?
Yeah, definitely.
Go on and grab the keys, Clem. Come on, scoot.
Behind you!
Go on and grab the keys, Clem. Come on, scoot.
Behind you!
Go on and grab the keys, Clem. Come on, scoot.
Behind you!
Go on and grab the keys, Clem. Come on, scoot.
Behind you!
Go on and grab the keys, Clem. Come on, scoot.
Behind you!
Go on and grab the keys, Clem. Come on, scoot.
Behind you!
Go on and grab the keys, Clem. Come on, scoot.
Behind you!
Go on and grab the keys, Clem. Come on, scoot.
Behind you!
Go on and grab the keys, Clem. Come on, scoot.
Behind you!
Go on and grab the keys, Clem. Come on, scoot.
Behind you!
Go on and grab the keys, Clem. Come on, scoot.
Behind you!
Go on and grab the keys, Clem. Come on, scoot.
Behind you!
Fuck! Go on and grab the keys, Clem. Come on, scoot.
Behind you!
Fuck! Go on and grab the keys, Clem. Come on, scoot.
Behind you!
Fuck! Go on and grab the keys, Clem. Come on, scoot.
Behind you!
Fuck! Go on and grab the keys, Clem. Come on, scoot.
Behind you!
Fuck! Go on and grab the keys, Clem. Come on, scoot.
Behind you!
Fuck! Go on and grab the keys, Clem. Come on, scoot.
Behind you!
Fuck! Go on and grab the keys, Clem. Come on, scoot.
Behind you!
Go on and grab the keys, Clem. Come on, scoot.
Behind you!
Go on and grab the keys, Clem. Come on, scoot.
Behind you!
It's okay. Everything's fine. Keys, now! Fuck, it's still locked! It's okay, it's okay. Everything's fine. Keys, now! God damn.
That didn't go so good.
No, it did not go so good. But we're okay. Everything's okay.
What's going on? I thought I heard a gunshot.
We're fine. We found some walkers.
You and an 8-year-old versus 3 of them, huh?
We handled it.
Yeah, it looks like. What if you hadn't? I'm gonna go make sure the noise didn't cause us any problems.
That's a good idea.
I hope you know what you're doing with her,
Me too.
for her sake.
We got it.
Let's go outside now.
What did we learn?
I'm not ready for a gun.
No, Clem. We learned that everything we will ever do is dangerous. We'll get better, smarter, and faster, okay?
Okay.
I found a blowtorch in the station. Should make quick work of the coupling up there.
Excellent. I'll come up there with you to have a look.
Shit.
What's up?
The hose has a leak in it.
Turn it off, dude. I don't want my eyebrows burned off. Better plug that leak with something.
Hope there's holes.
That's crazy. Look at it go.
Just about got it. Whoa, thanks.
No sweat, man.
This thing is hanging by a thread. The smallest cut and it'll go. I can't reach it now. Damn it, it was just about done, too.
Crap.
Here, the weak portion of the coupling's out of my reach.
You think it'll be within mine?
No, but I'm gonna dangle you over that ledge.
The hell you are? God, you're a real son of a bitch, aren't you?
Shut up and start cutting.
Guys! There's something coming!
What the what?
There must be thousands.
We gotta go!
Fuck. Omi! Cut! Cut!
I am! It's going! Pull me up!
Jump!
What? No way!
Jump!
No!
Jump, damn it!
Still no!
Fine. Ugh.
Ah!
Shit! Run!
No, her, not me! Krista, no! Fuck! You piece of shit! She's a woman, don't you know? Baby.
It's okay, honey. I'm okay.
That was a lot of them.
Are you hurt?
No, we're okay.
Speak for yourself. My leg is fucked.
We're fine, Clementine. We're fine.
Next stop, the Atlantic.
We're finding Clementine's parents when we get there.
I thought they were dead.
Looking for them, then.
That's not the plan.
Well, it's ours. She and I talked it through. You'll be all right.
I'll be alive, I guess. Blood in my heart. Blood in my brain, at least.
I'll leave you to your thoughts. She's out cold like I've never seen. What the?
Can't wait for you to get to Savannah, Clementine. I got your parents right here. And you be sure to find me, whether Lee wants you to or not. Now, what I need...
Holy shit.
I thought that fucking thing was broken.
So did I. Who the fuck was that? If he's convinced Clementine that he has her parents.
Y'all might want to rethink your plan. We're almost at the river. You want to get on a boat? Or you want to wait around till the walkers figure out we're here?
I know I promised that we'd find your parents, but Savannah's more dangerous than I thought it would be.
I don't know how much longer he can keep on like this. If his leg gets any worse, we're gonna have to carry him.
Or leave him?
If I were you, I'd get out of the street, now.
Who the hell is this? Answer me, damn it!
So when were you gonna tell us about the radio?
Who have you been talking to? You come back here, I'll kill you. You understand? I will kill you!